Welcome back, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the future with the top AI tools you need to know in 2025. We're talking next-level AI that's pushing boundaries and changing the game, from creative powerhouses to self-driving marvels. We'll break down what makes these tools tick and why you should care. Let's get started. First up, we've got ChatGPT-5, the brainchild of OpenAI. Now, you know I love me some good AI-powered creativity, and this iteration takes it to a whole new level. We're not just talking about writing emails or generating code snippets anymore. ChatGPT-5 is about crafting compelling narratives, translating languages with nuance you'd expect from a seasoned linguist, and even composing music. But here's the kicker. ChatGPT-5 is all about understanding context and intent. It's not just about spitting out words, it's about understanding the subtle ways we communicate as humans. That means more natural conversations, more personalized responses, and content that truly resonates. Trust me, ChatGPT-5 isn't just another upgrade, it's a fundamental shift in how we interact with AI. Whether you're a writer, a marketer, or just someone who appreciates the power of language, you need to keep your eyes on this one. Next, we're jumping into the driver's seat with Tesla's full self-driving AI. This isn't just about lane keeping or adaptive cruise control, we're talking about a complete paradigm shift in how we get around. Tesla's AI is crunching data from millions of miles driven, learning to navigate complex environments with a level of sophistication that's, well, kind of mind-blowing. Now, full self-driving is a complex beast with regulatory hurdles and ethical considerations we can't ignore. But the tech itself is advancing at a breakneck pace. Tesla's AI is getting better at recognizing objects, predicting behavior, and making split-second decisions, all while prioritizing safety. This isn't just about convenience. It's about accessibility, efficiency, and fundamentally changing the way we think about transportation. Love it or hate it, Tesla's full self-driving AI is shaping the future of mobility. Chapter 3. DeepMind's AlphaFold 3. Unfolding the mysteries of proteins. Let's shift gears and talk about something that sounds straight out of science fiction. DeepMind's AlphaFold 3. This AI is tackling one of biology's biggest challenges, predicting the three-dimensional structure of proteins. Why is this a big deal? Because proteins are the building blocks of life, and understanding their structure is key to developing new drugs and treatments for diseases. AlphaFold 3 is like having a superpowered microscope that can peer into the microscopic world and unravel the secrets of protein folding. This has huge implications for drug discovery, disease research, and even materials science. We're talking about accelerating scientific breakthroughs at an unprecedented rate. AlphaFold 3 is a prime example of AI being used for good, pushing the boundaries of human knowledge and potentially revolutionizing healthcare as we know it. Chapter 4. IBM Watson 2.0, the AI consultant. Now let's talk business. IBM Watson, the AI that once dominated Jeopardy, is back and more specialized than ever. Watson 2.0 is all about providing tailored solutions for specific industries, from healthcare to finance to cybersecurity. Imagine having an AI consultant that can analyze mountains of data, identify patterns, and provide actionable insights. That's Watson 2.0 in a nutshell. We're talking about AI that can help doctors diagnose diseases with greater accuracy, assist financial institutions in detecting fraud, and even predict cyber threats before they happen. This is about augmenting human expertise, not replacing it. Watson 2.0 is a testament to the power of AI to transform industries and solve real-world problems. It's a glimpse into a future where AI is not just a tool, but a collaborative partner. Chapter 5. Adobe Sensei. 2025, the creative genius in your toolkit. Finally, we have Adobe Sensei 2025, the AI that's about to become your new creative best friend. Adobe has been killing it with integrating AI into their software, and Sensei 2025 takes it to the next level. Imagine editing images and videos with unparalleled precision, generating stunning visuals with just a few clicks, and even having AI assist you with complex design tasks. Sensei 2025 is like having a team of digital artists at your fingertips, helping you bring your creative visions to life with ease and speed. It's about breaking down creative barriers and empowering anyone, regardless of their skill level, to create professional quality content. This is AI that understands the nuances of design, color, and composition. And it's going to change the game for photographers, videographers, designers, and anyone who loves to create, who loves to. The future is AI-powered. That's a wrap on the top AI tools you need to know in 2025. From language models that feel eerily human to self-driving cars that are changing the way we commute, AI is no longer a futuristic fantasy. It's here, it's powerful, and it's changing the world as we know it. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech updates. See you in the next video.